Hello, this is Emotioner speaking. Mr. What's Your Favorite? Which is my other channel. Mr. What's Your Favorite speaking here, and hello, what's up? As you know, if you have subscribed or if you've watched any of my other videos, I do videos about my favorite stuff. And if you have anything like that, you can send it to me in my comments below. And you can tell me about your favorite video games, shirts, movies, places, countries, terrorist attacks, weapons, TV types, computers, I don't give, mobile phones, I don't give, and you can tell me what you like. So, first off, today I am going to be showing my favorite video game. Now, first of all, this is not my favorite video game. No way. This is definitely not my favorite video game. This is my favorite video game. Best-selling game on Earth of PS3 and Xbox, the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. It's kind of scratched my one because I've been loaning it to a lot of people, but it's amazing. I like it mostly because of its multiplayer features. It's amazing. It's the best game ever to me. Best game ever. You can't defeat it. You can't beat it with anything except with this. This is Grand Theft Auto 4 and Episode from Liberty City. My favorite one is The Ballad of Gay Tony. This is, you know who? This dude's called Nico. Nico Stories, and this guy is called some guy that rides a motorbike. Anyway, I like it not because of its multiplayer features, but because of its poning features. You can opponent everyone. You can shoot them in the face. You can do anything with this game. It's awesome. Yes, it is 18 rated because I am 18. No, I'm not. And yeah, I like it. So, thank you for watching, and